Here we go. Welcome everyone to the three-box break of 2014 Triple Threads football. This was eBay break. Ended today, 23rd. It's 10 p.m. Tuesday, December 23rd, New York time. All right. These are the names and the teams owned. All right, there's 22 of you. And here we go. Good luck. Let's start with the first box. This is serial number. Here's the. There it is. 1107165220 for box number 1. Good luck, guys. Get an early Christmas gift. And I know this is too many. This is different. Okay, too many boxes. Sorry. I believe there's 2 hits per box. Alright, here we go. Let's start with Patrick Willis base card for the 49ers. We got Percy Harvin for the Seahawks base card. Larry Fitzgerald. Ooh, we got a 101 over here. Printing plate autograph of... Who's this? I can't even tell. Oh, for the Packers, 1 of 1. Davante Adams. Very, very nice. Check this out. 1 of 1. Very cool. Nice big hit right there. Nice jersey patch autograph. 1 of 1. Congratulations. And we got 6 out of 75 Brandon Cooks for the Saints. And these are the numbered base cards. 46 out of 50 for Tony Romo, Cowboys. Got your Cowboys there. Nothing big, but... And Zach Ertz, 261 out of 399 for the Eagles. So I guess there's 2 from the back, so I'll start off that way. Bring the 2 in the back and the front. Who's got... Anybody here got the Packers? Who's got the Packers? Packers. Gart. I don't know if Gart's here, but congratulations. Alright, let me bring the 2 in the back to the front. We got Andrew Luck numbered, 126 out of 199. Colts. Alfred Morris, 243 out of 399. A Ryan Matthews base card, unnumbered. Another Tony Romo base card. This is not numbered. A Jordan Cameron base card. And I believe Arizona's new starting quarterback, I think they're putting him in, Logan Thomas, 7 out of 75. I'm not sure what they decided on that yet. Auto and 1 color. 7 out of 75, Logan Thomas. And Josh Gordon, nice and low numbered, 6 out of 9. And 2 color patches there. 6 out of 9 for the Browns. You can see it. There you go. That does it for box 1. Box number 2. Now we still got 2 more boxes, Jory, so we'll see. Okay, here we go. We got 29 out of 99 Cecil Shorts. Russell Wilson 300 out of 399. Excuse me, 380 out of 399. We got a regular Cecil Shorts base card, unnumbered. Clay Matthews base card. And we got a Reggie Wayne base card. And we got for the Dolphins, Jarvis Landry, 17 out of 70. Got 3-color right over there, autograph for the Dolphins. And for the Bills, Sammy Watkins, jumbo 55 out of 99. Alright, that does it for mini box 1. Alright, mini box number 2. Yeah, Landry could be good, I think. I know Tannehill doesn't like to throw deep. I mean, he's got Mike Wallace, one of the fastest guys out there, but some of these guys, you know, they blossom their second year or so. We'll see what happens. He's not a bad pickup. It's one of those you never know type of guys. Alright, start off with EJ Manuel, 16 out of 199. We got Matt Ryan, 49 out of 399. LaShawn McCoy. Pierre Thomas. We got Brian Hartline. And we got Jimmy Garoppolo, 30 out of 90. Maybe Tom Brady's heir apparent. Not for a while, though. Autograph 1-color, Patriots. And a nice patch for the Bears. I know the Bears come out a lot, but Alshon Jeffries, 29 out of 36. Kind of cool looking at the little orange strip there. 29 out of 36. Sorry about the focus, guys. Here you go. Box number 2. Alright, final box. Another Cecil Shorts, number 28 out of 99. Cordell Patterson, 128 out of 399. We got Denarius Moore, base card. Mike Glennon, base card. We got Dez Bryant, base card. We got another Packers hit. Same guy, Devontae Adams. This is 19 out of 70. I guess this is the we got the printing plate for this, and now we got him here. 19 out of 70 for the Packers. 2 hits. And we got a nice jumbo Blake Bortles, 56 out of 75. 1-color. Again, apologize about this focus thing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. 56 out of 75, Bortles for the Jags. Alright, final mini box. Yeah, well, let's hope. Just so you know, guys, when I send out, I don't just send out a top load. I mean, I always send something extra. So everybody's going to get something. I mean, I can't obviously get you all autographs or relics, but I'll take care as best as I can. You know, no one, I don't leave anyone hanging. I don't do that. 84 to 199, Drew Brees for the Saints. Got Matt Forte, 317 out of 399, Bears. RG3, base. Ace Sanders, base card. Jamal Charles. And yes, I guess we have another Bear. Kadeem Carey, 29 out of 75. One color. And we got a Cardinals, nice Larry Fitzgerald, 14 out of 27. Nice patches here. And that does it. Sorry, guys, no Broncos or Cowboys. Like I said, I'll take care of you. I'll send you something. Don't worry about it. I'll get something decent. But yeah, that's it. Guys, thanks for joining. I will get these cards probably shipped out by Saturday because I will be away for the holidays. So everybody enjoy your holiday weekend. I'll try to get it Friday if I can, but if not Saturday, I won't be around for 2 days. But that's it, guys. Thank you for joining. Have a good night and take care.